Welcome to Kitchenesia, where small kitchens make a big impact. If you've ever felt limited by your kitchen space, this video is just for you. We're sharing smart, stylish design tricks that save space and add charm, perfect for cozy homes. From clever storage ideas to beautiful decor tips, each idea is tailored to create a warm, inviting kitchen you'll love. Stay with us until the end for inspiring transformations that prove even the smallest kitchens can shine. Let's dive in and discover how to make your kitchen feel bigger, brighter, and more beautiful. Maximizing storage in a small kitchen corner can completely transform the space, making it feel both organized and inviting. By using soft cream and pastel blue tones combined with delicate floral motifs, the corner shelves become a charming display for vintage glassware and neatly stacked plates. Pull-out cabinets reveal hidden compartments perfect for spices and cooking tools, blending functionality with style. Warm natural wood accents add a cozy touch, while soft lighting enhances the calm atmosphere. This clever use of corners sets the tone for a kitchen that feels spacious and thoughtfully designed. Building on corner storage, utilizing vertical space is another brilliant way to expand your small kitchen's capacity. Tall shelving units painted in muted sage green draw the eye upward, creating a sense of height and openness. Rustic elements, like a farmhouse-style ladder and woven baskets, add texture and warmth. Botanical wallpaper accents soften the walls, while hanging pots and pans maximize every inch. This vertical approach not only increases storage, but also adds a decorative element that complements the cozy, vintage-inspired aesthetic. It's a perfect next step in creating a kitchen that's both practical and beautiful. To further optimize space, multifunctional furniture offers both style and utility in compact kitchens. Imagine a foldable dining table with vintage floral upholstery doubling as extra prep space, with chairs that tuck neatly underneath. A rolling island cart provides additional storage for cookbooks and fresh herbs, while a pastel mosaic backsplash adds subtle charm. Cream-colored cabinets with brass handles complement the soft beige and light walnut tones, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. This blend of functionality and elegance ensures that even the smallest kitchens can be both efficient and welcoming. In small kitchens, wall-mounted shelves are a stylish way to save counter space while displaying cherished items. Whitewashed wood shelves arranged asymmetrically hold pastel ceramic mugs, delicate glass jars, and small potted plants. A soft mint green backsplash with floral patterns adds a feminine touch. Below, a narrow countertop remains uncluttered, featuring a vintage bread box and a small herb garden in terracotta pots. This thoughtful arrangement balances practicality and beauty, enhancing the kitchen's charm while keeping surfaces clear for cooking and preparation. Compact appliances in soft pastel tones are essential for small kitchens where every inch counts. A mini oven, toaster, and coffee maker in powder blue and cream fit perfectly on narrow marble countertops. Matching ceramic containers and vintage cookbooks on open shelves add personality without crowding the space. Warm ivory walls and lace curtains filter natural light, creating a cozy ambience. Light oak flooring and a floral patterned rug complete the look, making the kitchen efficient and inviting. These appliances prove that small can be stylish and functional at the same time. Organization extends to drawers where utensil trays crafted from natural bamboo hold pastel-colored measuring spoons, wooden spoons, and vintage silverware. Adjacent compartments house embroidered napkins and spice jars with handwritten labels, all painted soft cream inside to contrast with warm wood cabinetry. This meticulous arrangement maximizes efficiency while maintaining a charming, homey feel. Such attention to detail ensures that every tool is within easy reach, making cooking a pleasure rather than a chore. The drawer's neatness reflects the overall kitchen's balance of beauty and order. Light colors and mirrors can dramatically change the perception of space in a small kitchen. Soft cream walls with pastel blue cabinetry create a fresh, airy feel, while a large vintage mirror above the sink reflects natural light, brightening the room. White marble countertops and subtle floral tile backsplashes add elegance. Linen curtains soften the window light, and lightwood flooring adds warmth. This combination makes the kitchen appear larger and more open, turning a small space into a bright, inviting heart of the home. Pantries in small kitchens can be both practical and beautiful with space-saving shelving and soft pastel tones. Narrow shelves hold labeled glass jars stacked vertically, while woven baskets store root vegetables and linens. Cream walls with floral wallpaper accents create a cozy backdrop. A sliding door in muted sage green conceals the pantry when not in use, maintaining a neat appearance. Soft, warm lighting highlights the organization, making the pantry both functional and inviting, a perfect blend of style and utility for small kitchen spaces. Fold-down tables and seating provide flexible dining solutions for small kitchen nooks. A cream-colored wall with subtle floral wallpaper holds a foldable table that opens to reveal cushioned bench seating in light gray, accented with floral pillows. When folded, the table frees up valuable floor space. A small vase with fresh flowers adds a touch of warmth. Natural light filters through sheer curtains onto warm oak flooring, creating a cozy, charming spot perfect for meals or extra prep work. This versatile setup enhances both comfort and functionality in limited spaces. Hooks and rails painted soft cream offer a rustic yet feminine way to keep small kitchens organized. Hanging pots and pans in pastel shades and copper finishes create a visually appealing display alongside wooden cutting boards and vintage kitchen tools. Small potted herbs in terracotta pots add life and fragrance. The warm ivory walls with subtle floral stenciling provide a gentle backdrop. Below, a narrow countertop remains uncluttered for food prep. This arrangement combines practicality with charm, turning everyday kitchen essentials into decorative features that brighten the space. Minimalist decor in small kitchens relies on soft neutral tones and subtle floral accents to create a calm, spacious feel. White cabinets with brass handles contrast gently with pale gray marble countertops. A simple white subway tile backsplash with light gray grout adds understated elegance. Open shelving displays carefully selected ceramic pieces in pastel colors, while light oak flooring and a woven floral rug add warmth. Soft, warm lighting enhances the atmosphere, resulting in a clutter-free, inviting kitchen that feels larger than its actual size. Incorporating plants into small kitchens adds freshness without crowding the space. Hanging planters and small potted herbs on wall-mounted shelves bring lush greenery into the room. Terracotta pots and woven baskets add texture and warmth against cream walls and pastel blue cabinetry. White marble countertops remain clear and uncluttered, while natural light filters through sheer curtains. This blend of greenery and vintage-inspired decor creates a lively yet calming environment, balancing nature and function beautifully in a small kitchen. Lighting plays a crucial role in making small kitchens feel larger and more welcoming. Soft, warm LED strips under pastel blue cabinets illuminate white marble countertops, enhancing visibility and ambience. A vintage chandelier with delicate floral motifs casts gentle light throughout the room. Cream walls with subtle textured wallpaper and white distressed mirrors reflect light, amplifying brightness. Light oak flooring complements the warm tones. This carefully designed lighting scheme balances practicality and style, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere that elevates the small kitchen experience. A backsplash with soft pastel floral tiles brings charm without overwhelming a small kitchen. Cream, blush pink, and mint green tiles arranged in subtle patterns add texture and color. Muted sage green cabinets with brass hardware complement the backsplash, while white marble countertops provide a clean surface. Natural light filters through linen curtains, highlighting the delicate hues. This gentle, feminine design element enhances the kitchen's cozy, vintage-inspired aesthetic, making the space feel thoughtfully decorated and visually appealing. Creative repurposing of everyday items can add both storage and character to small kitchens. Vintage wooden crates stacked neatly hold fresh produce, while mason jars with pastel lids store dry goods on open shelves. An old ladder leans against a cream wall, serving as a rack for pots and pans. Soft blue cabinets with brass knobs and light oak countertops complete the look. Potted herbs add greenery and life. This rustic yet charming approach maximizes space while infusing personality and warmth into the kitchen. Efficient kitchen layouts focus on the classic work triangle between sink, stove, and refrigerator. Soft cream cabinetry with pastel blue accents frames white marble countertops and warm oak open shelving filled with vintage kitchenware. Light oak flooring and lace curtains soften natural light, creating a cozy atmosphere. This design prioritizes smooth workflow and space-saving techniques while maintaining a feminine, inviting look with subtle floral decor. The result is a small kitchen that balances practicality with timeless charm. Budget-friendly small kitchen makeovers can refresh the space with simple yet impactful changes. Cream-colored cabinets gain new life with pastel blue knobs, while open shelves showcase vintage ceramic dishes and glass jars with handwritten labels. Soft ivory walls with delicate floral decals add subtle decoration. A muted floral rug warms oak flooring, and affordable warm LED strips under cabinets improve lighting. Potted herbs bring freshness. These thoughtful updates create a cozy, charming kitchen without breaking the bank, proving that style and function can coexist affordably. Seasonal decor adds warmth and personality to small kitchens without cluttering. Soft pastel wreaths with dried flowers hang on cream walls, while small ceramic pumpkins and muted autumn leaves decorate open shelves. A vase with fresh seasonal blooms in soft pink and white brightens the countertop. Pale sage green cabinets with brass knobs complement the natural light filtering through linen curtains onto oak floors. This elegant, feminine seasonal styling refreshes the kitchen's look, celebrating nature's cycles while keeping the space inviting and cozy throughout the year. Thank you for joining us on this journey through small kitchen design magic. We explored clever storage solutions, smart layouts, and charming decor ideas that maximize space and style. Remember, a small kitchen can be both functional and beautiful with the right touches. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a like, subscribe to Kitchenesia